Hey everyone, today we're going to learn the slip stitch. One of the most common uses for slip stitches is to close the end of a round of your work. For this example, I'm just putting a border on a granny square, which I'm about to finish, and I will need to join the end and the beginning of the round with a slip stitch. So I just finished my border, and now you can see I need to join the end and the beginning so it's a closed loop. What I'm going to do is insert my hook into the first stitch I created in my round, just like that. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both the stitch and the loop on my hook. And that is a slip stitch. Depending on what your pattern calls for, you can fasten off from here, or you can chain one and continue on with the border. It all is going to depend on what your pattern requires.